Good Tuesday morning, everybody. Chris Allen with your first look forecast for this December 9th. We still have a lot of clouds out there this morning. Some of you may be even seeing a little bit of snow flurry activity or maybe just a passing sprinkle. It's not going to be a big deal. Low impact stuff here, not going to impact anything this morning. Most of you will stay dry as we're looking down Scottsville Road from the Independence Bank weather cam this morning. Part of the AAA Systems Network, the largest weather cam network in the state of Kentucky. Doppler Max HD, the 5 Doppler radar sites that we tap into, showing, there could be a little bit of light sprinkles, possibly up there at Hart County, Greene County, in between Munfordville and, say, Greensburg. Maybe getting that. You can see that just kind of moving off to the south and east this morning. Otherwise, we're fairly dry. Here's the expanded view and radar satellite over the last 3 hours showing the energy, the crux of the energy is well over the New England states. As you see here, this is a nor'easter that's getting underway with some snow, mixed precipitation, and then a lot of rain. And all of that is around an area of low pressure that is spinning right now over the Great Lakes. And we're about to have a little piece of energy, cold front, come through, kind of a trough to a cold front that's actually going to come through and cool off our temperatures as we go through the day. Speaking of temperatures right now, we're at 44 in Bowling Green as of 4:30 a.m. You see the colder air up here to the north, Omaha, Des Moines, Dubuque, all in the 20s. Kansas City still at 30, St. Louis at 36, but that colder air will start to move in as we go through the day. So we're about where we're going to be for a high temperature today, and then the temperatures will start to fall. Here are the current temperatures according to the Kentucky Mesonet, which is run by Western Kentucky University and the Kentucky Climate Center. And there you see slightly cooler air back to the west. Elkton is at 35, 40 in Hopkinsville, 41 Madisonville, 39 in Russellville. Then you start to see low to almost mid-40s out further east. So as we go through the morning, that northwesterly wind and that cold front will start to send our temperatures downward a little bit more into the afternoon and evening. Future Max Predictor. This is the way it shows what may happen as we go through the day. And there you see those little isolated showers. There could maybe be a flurry mixed in, but at this point it just looks like a few sprinkles. The better chance for any frozen precipitation or flurries is going to be certainly out further east. Now, all this is still mostly light rain or sprinkles as of 12:30 this afternoon. And as we get into tonight, the colder air starts to work in, and that's when we start to see maybe a few more snow flurries out in the eastern part of the state. Not much going on here. In fact, skies will break apart as we get into the day Wednesday. A little bit more sunshine and just a tad warmer. Now, Future Max temperature showing we're not going to get all that warm today. Low 40s maybe in most cases, and dropping back down to near freezing for overnight lows tonight. And then we'll get back to maybe the low 40s again tomorrow, dropping back into the low 20s or mid-20s. We'll see some recovery, though, by Thursday, maybe more into the mid and upper 40s, as you'll see here in the 7-day forecast. 41 today, 42 tomorrow, 46 Thursday, 48 Friday. The weekend, nice and mild with highs in the 50s, close to 60 by Sunday. We have put in just a slight chance of a rain shower by Monday afternoon. That'll do it for this edition of your First Look forecast. God bless as always, and thank you for watching. Know the weather before it knows you. My podcast and blog up shortly, plus live updates on AM Kentucky at 5:30, streaming live to the WBKO app and to WBKO.com. Have a great day.